Hey, how's it going folks? ET here with another iMovie tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to turn your video into a cartoon, comic, animation looking clip. And this feature came new with the newest version of iMovie, and let's go ahead and figure out which one that is. We're going to go to iMovie, we're going to go about iMovie, and let me drag this over here. So if you've downloaded 10.1.15 or greater, you'll have this feature. All right, let's get into it. First thing we're going to do is grab a piece of video. We're going to drag that into the timeline down here. I'm going to go ahead and make it a little bit bigger so you can actually see it. And I'm also going to mute the audio. So what I'm going to do here is just chop it up a little bit here. And I'm going to do that by going to certain spots. I'm going to go right. We're going to do split clip. And you can also use that command B, that command key and the letter B. Let's do a couple more. And let me make this a little bit smaller so I can see most of the clip here. There we go. And we'll do one more right here, command B. Okay. Okay, so what you're going to do is click on the clip itself. You're going to go up to the three circles here. We're going to go to the clip filter. We're going to click on that. And we have a new row here of comic filters. So let's go ahead and mess around with these a little bit. Actually, let me go to the first clip here. Cancel that real quick. Click there. Go up to the three circles. Click on clip filter. And we'll do one of each. Probably going to need another split here. Let's go for the second one, which is Comic Cool. Third one, Comic Ink. Fourth one, Comic Mono. Fifth one, which is Comic Vintage. Okay. Alrighty, let me go ahead and scroll through it and give you a quick look at each one of these here. Very cool. I kind of like this stuff. And the last one here is standard. Okay. Alright, so something cool you can kind of do. We're going to add a little transition between these two here. I'm going to go up to the transitions. And I really like this ripple effect. I was messing around with it earlier before this video. So I'm going to put it right here. And I'm going to go ahead and play and you can see it. Let me do 1.5. Okay, here we go. Okay, so there's other things you can do here. While we're in here, I'm going to click on this clip here. I'm going to go to the color correction palette here. And I'm going to bump up the saturation, which is this one here. So if you look at the screen while I'm doing this, you can see we can make it really, really colorful. To like super animated. And I think this looks really cool. Okay, so let's have a look at that one here. I mean, basically, we just turned it into a cartoon. So that is pretty awesome, wouldn't you say? I mean, I can think of numerous things you could do with this. That's just the creativity you can add to this just to make your videos look cool. Okay, let's go ahead and show you how to undo it while we're here. Click on your clip, go back to the three ellipses, click on clip filter, and then you're going to go to none here. Okay. Alrighty, I want to thank everybody for watching as usual. Don't forget peace and aloha, and we'll catch you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and all that jazz. Later.